Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPhone or iPad user itching to create stunning videos in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the best video editing apps that make professional level editing simple and fun right from your device. Whether you're a beginner vlogger or a seasoned content creator, these apps will elevate your game. First up is iMovie, Apple's free powerhouse. It's perfect for newcomers with its intuitive interface, allowing you to trim clips, add transitions, and even include sound effects with ease. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your iOS ecosystem, no learning curve required. Next, let's talk about CapCut, a fan favorite that's totally free and packed with features. From advanced editing tools like keyframing and speed ramping to a huge library of effects and music, CapCut is ideal for social media pros. It's lightweight, runs smoothly on older devices, and even supports 4K editing. For those stepping up to pro-level work, LumaFusion is a must-have. At around $30, it offers multi-track editing, color correction, and audio mixing that rivals desktop software. It's especially great for YouTubers who need precision without a computer. Don't overlook Adobe Premiere Rush, which is perfect if you're already in the Adobe ecosystem. It syncs with your Creative Cloud, letting you edit on the go and pick up where you left off on your desktop. Features like auto color and quick exports make it efficient for fast-paced creators. Lastly, if you've got a newer iPad, check out Final Cut Pro for iPad. It's a game changer with its multicam support and high-end tools, though it comes at a premium price. In 2025, these apps stand out for their user-friendly designs and powerful capabilities. Remember, the best app is the one that fits your workflow, so experiment and see what works for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.